In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sponsored video on TikTok app. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your TikTok application on your mobile device. And from here, you want to go to the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where the profile picture is located. So just select on that. And from here, you want to select the picture that you want to actually make a sponsored video for. So for example, you want to click on that video and you want to click on the three dotted icon just below the save button. And from here, you want to look at the very bottom and just scroll down until you see the section that says add settings. So just select on add settings and you'll be redirected to a new page. In the new page, you want to make sure that the branded content is selected and just hit on confirm. And from here, you could edit a few settings. Like for example, a brand partnership can be added here. So the link campaign, just select all here and search for the marketplace campaign that you're currently working on the correct creator. And here you could also allow the ad authorizations and only show in ads. And yeah, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.